In this video, I'm going to show you how can you set up variants for your products so when the customer buys from you, they can select from all the available options. The first thing on the left side menu, click on the section Store. Then you will be in the catalog management. To start adding variants to a product, select the product, go down, select advanced settings, go down a little bit more and you will see a section variants. Click on the button Manage Variants to start adding options and managing the possible variants of those options. Let's create the first option. Click on the button Add New Option. Then enter the name, for example, color, and then you have to select the option type. For example, it will show up as a drop-down list, as buttons, or color palette. Let's select color palette, and now you have to enter the values. For example, reds. Then click on the color field, select the color or enter the color code. Click choose. Let's create another one, for example, green. Again, click on the color field, select the color and click on the button choose. Let's create another option, for example, size. So again, click on the button add new option, enter the name, size, select the option type. So how it will show in the product view. So in this case, we're going to choose buttons and again, enter the possible values. So for us, it's going to be small, medium and big. Then once you've done all the options, once you scroll down, you will see that there will be all the possible variants. So now you can edit all the possible variants separately. For example, you can add separate image for the variants, you can add separate product code, you can use stock if you have, for example, red small products, you have less than the red big or medium, you can enter the value, exact number. Then you can change the price for the specific variant. Let's say this one costs 30, this one costs 50, and this one costs 40 but is on the special price for 20. And this is how you would edit all the possible variants. Then again, once we scroll up, we can change the location of the options. For example, we can move the size first if we want that for the clients to be the first choice. And then one thing I want to point out, if you have multiple languages in the site, you have to adjust the names for all the languages. At this point, we can see that we are editing the variants in English, but we also have a Latvian language on the online store. So once we click on Latvian icon, you will see that all the options are grayed out, which means that you have to enter the values in the other language. Once you've done that, simply click on the button Save. Again, save on the product page. And now let's go and see how it actually looks in the product view. So click on Back, go to the specific product that we just added variants to. And now we see that we have the product with all the possible options. So we have the image, we have the price, we have the first option, so let's say size, and then we have the second option, color. And if we change the option, also the price will automatically update. However, also if we would have set a separate image for each of the variants, the image would also change automatically. So this is how you add variants to your products in Mozello. And if you have any questions or need any help, please contact our customer service.